we have developed a lot of like a cure and treatment for infertility. It involves a lot of problems in either man or women. So when we look at the cause of infertility, then we will be able to arrive at a cure for the problem.
Dr. Nasreen, can this be cured? Because there is a lot of advancement in the field of medicine. Are we seeing a cure for this, and how does that work?
Yeah, with the advent of medicines and technologies, we have developed a lot of like a cure and treatment for infertility. Today we have arrived at a stage where there is no problem, no fertility problem that cannot be cured. Okay.
Of course, the $1,000,000 question: can it be treated? Is it treatable? Or should we say, okay, this is like how you don't know the cause for infertility, especially then what really happens? Can it be treated at all? How do we look at it?
Yeah, infertility is definitely a treatable condition because infertility involves a lot of problems in either man or women. So when we look at the cause of infertility, then we will be able to arrive at a cure for the problem also. For example, the infertility problem in women is caused by either blockage of the tubes or some other diseases involving the tubes, like it can be due to sexually transmitted diseases or previous unsafe abortions or previous any abdominal or pelvic surgeries which have caused the tubal problem. So in those scenarios, we have to address the tubal problem, and once we treat that, the couple will be able to conceive. Similarly, there are problems in uterus, like the women can have a fibroid or a polyp or some conditions like adenomyosis or endometriosis in the uterus. So once we diagnose that and give appropriate treatment for the condition, the couple will be able to conceive. Similarly, there are a lot of other hormonal problems like PCOS, thyroid, which can be treated and the couple will be able to conceive. Similarly, when we come to like the male partner side, there are a lot of conditions which lead to infertility and semen problems. That it can also be due to sexual disorders. So which involves like we need to counsel the couple and we need to find the reason for the fertility and give appropriate treatment. When there are problems in the semen production, so we have to give some medicines, identify the problem and treat it accordingly. And the man can have like blockage in the passage of the semen. It can be a blockage in the vas deferens or seminal vesicles. So we have to identify that and treat it. So once we find the reason for the infertility problem, we will be able to give appropriate solution for that, and the couple will be able to conceive. Today we are in a world where no cause in infertility is untreatable.